Hi, this is my review of the Fresh Melts Mint Bread Strips. So, these strips come in these sort of packages, and you can see the information of the package as to what it provides right here. It costs 40 rupees for 20 strips, and it is pricey, but it is a new concept of how you eat mints. So these are not mint tablets that you consume. They are strips of something like cellulose which melts immediately in your mouth. So uh, it comes in this sort of a pouch and it has a ziplock in it. And the concept of these strips is that you put one in your mouth and it immediately melts and then you are good to go. So if you have a meeting or an interview with someone and you need to smell fresh, this is what you go for if you don't have the time to consume a actual mint or a toffee. So I have these two flavors here, the pan flavor and the mint flavor. um, I have actually tried both of them and both of them are pretty good, but for the price I would say they are not worth it per se. If you get a deal on them on Amazon or Flipkart, then you should go and buy it. I bought 120 strips of these for 240 rupees. That was introductory offer, and I felt that it was worth a try. So let me show you the box. It is a very small box, as you can see. Very small. um, you can easily carry this in your wallet or your pocket, and you just open it like so. You just push it out, and these are the mint strips that you can see. So there are 20 of these mint strips inside. So you take one out, and as you can see, this mint strip, that's how it looks, and this is how paper thin it is. So you just place it in your mouth and it melts right away. And so the strips itself, they don't last very long. The cooling effect of the mint strips, I would say, would last for about 10 minutes maximum. But I have noticed this that they are pretty strong, as in when you put them in your mouth and they melt away, the you can feel a substantial amount of mint flavor and the menthol in your mouth for 10 minutes or so. And if you drink cold water on top of that, it gets really cold. The roof of your mouth will start hurting. So that is a good thing, perhaps, if you are feeling sleepy and you want to wake up really fast, and you can try that. It's a really fun thing to do as well. So these are standard menthol strips, what you would expect from a normal mint toffee. They aren't peppermint flavored, they are just proper mint strips. The pan ones actually do taste like pan, though they are a bit on the sweeter side. The taste isn't bad. Out of 10, I would give it a 6.5 to 7, and out of 10 for the mint strips, I would give them a 7. Yeah.